And we are
live
live.
again.
Hello,
Thank you, thank
hello. Good
you.
morning, good
If you catch
afternoon,
us,
good evening, wherever you may be. Hello, hello. Today is September 5 here in the US. It's 11:32 a.m. here in Northern California.
imbag nga bigat, malum, kunrabi man apo kakabsat dita. And just remember, whatever you're
Might be going
going through right
through
now, remember
always
always a new day, and
always
God is good,
all the time
and all the time
God is good.
good.
So always remember
Yes.
that. Ang Panginoon po natin ay always good. So whatever, yun nga, sabi nga ng mister ko, just always think of that. God is good. It will take care of you if ever it's gonna be pag at the end of may bagong life every day.
Mm-hmm.
So always think of the goodness of God, or always laging ano, paano ba? Laging may
No, just take a time. Always make a time just to be thankful in every day, every time
yeah.
you woke up.
Basta bagong
Mm.
bagong life, may bagong pag-asa, there's gonna be another
A new hope.
new hope. There you go. There you
Yeah.
go. Yes. Anyway, thank you once again for the today is our day 9 of our 90-day success challenge. For
Mm-hmm.
those who've been following us, watching us, or even our replay, thank you for your support. And again, hopefully you continue to support us and watch us.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully we been imparting some encouragement to you guys
Yes.
for those days that we've been you know
And
tackling those different topics. And
and
again, for today, there's gonna be a new topic. And as you can see in the screen, our topic for today would be to talk about our progress so far in this digital business.
progress.
Progress. So
Mm-hmm.
medyo timeline tayo dyan. But
Mm-hmm.
anyway, before we start or discuss that, let me just acknowledge Sister Elisa. Hello,
Uy,
nahabol niyo po kami. Thank you.
nah,
Thank you for watching.
nahuli niya tayo.
Yeah, kakastart pa lang ho. So,
Oh, we just started. Yeah.
anyway, so progress. So, okay. Paano? Ikaw na mag-ano.
Progress. Yeah, progress
Mag-start,
natin.
start natin.
Well, we start on very beginning, since we didn't know this digital business yet. uh, we've been lacking of time with the kids, lacking of what spending time,
Lacking ko, yeah, so yung,
mm,
yeah, so I was,
yung mga ganon. And then with our although nakaka-cope naman kami with our utility bills, there's a little bit supplemental yung mga businesses na
may mga side
mga
hustle
side
po
hustle
ako
namin.
before, right?
Yes, and
Na I
then
mentioned,
and talaga
but
ang yeah, in those side hustles it helped us on that time. And then but we want to highlight it, this digital business. When we learn about it, doon paunti-unti kaming alam mo yung para bang when you, yung mga claustrophobic ba, yung mga isang example ko na lang, para ka pang naninikip pa yung dibdib mo eh. Pero nung paunti-unti naming we learn with this digital business, unti-unti kaming nakakahinga. Ano mo, yung parang kumbaga
administration.
pagkalabas mo, or
Hello, Ate Jeans.
o kaya
Tingnan mo na
yung
naman yung mga illustration ni
yeah,
Mister.
illustration ko, o kaya yung nasa banyo ka tapos pagkalabas mo guminhaw ang pakiramdam mo. Parang gano'n ba? Yeah, gano'n ang nangyari sa amin na unti-unti namin nalaman with this
Well,
digital business.
mhm.
But then the first step is always most important, yung first step, kasi walang mangyayari if you're not gonna check what we were saying
Wala ka
here.
kaagad.
Yes. Oh, tapos yun, nag-register kami. We put our name, email, check that yung email na dumarating sa amin. So we
watch the
learn
free
it.
webinar.
Yes, and then I think skeptical din kami ni Mrs. Teka, ano kaya to?
Tuloy ba?
Tingnan na, itutuloy pa ba natin to? Ayun nga, yung habit namin ni Mrs. na kuan. And every decisions that we make, and every decisions na, or we're going to put na investment to put through, we always pray and ask for God's
God's
guidance
guidance.
or wisdom kung ano yung ipapaano niya dito sa amin. And then, yeah, it always help us, no?
Mhm.
It always help us to make a decision. So every time na kasi meron kami yung mga past experiences namin, every time we make a decision, and then we will go through that one, there's struggles. There's parang
Kung
hindrance. Hindi nag-go through, hindi nag-push through.
That's our sign na
That's
medyo
our sign,
that
okay.
maybe it's not for us.
Back off muna tayo, sabi kong gano'n. Mukhang hindi para sa atin to. But when it comes to digital, yung itong digital business nga. Ay, sorry, na sidetrack kami dito sa maliit namin. Nung we joined this digital business, smoothly naman yung pag-process namin. Smoothly yung pagsali
Basta
namin.
magaan lang lahat.
It was all provided. Even kung yung pang-invest namin, ang gaan, parang ang bilis na parang, may pagkukuha na kami. So, yun ang pinaka-first journey namin.
Teka lang kasi. Hindi kasi nga, okay, you talk about yung ano.
Progress
Kasi nga, paano tayo nag-start noon? Again, for those who maybe has not watched our previous segments or go live, we mentioned it took us 7 months.
Yes, 7 months before we
to make a
decided.
decision. So for those 7 months, when we think about it, because actually we were skeptical. We have a friend who actually joined this business prior to us, and we were just watching her. It's like you, maybe you might be just watching us right now. That's okay.
Progress
That's
we
okay.
had.
Do your research, right? So, but it took us for 7 months. Kasi then at the same time, we have that friend of ours is very parang mindful of us, or talagang cared about us
na
who said,
syempre.
you know what, let me join first, and let me experience or test this business first before you guys jump in.
No.
Because
Okay.
yun nga, ayaw niya, sabi niya, mas hindi naman maganda kung lahat tayo lulubog sabay-sabay. So let me just try it first, and I'll let you guys know. So that's very nice of her. Shout out to Ate Gina.
Hi, Ate Gina. Hi,
Sis Nov Lamsen, hi. Good morning. Thank you for watching. So, ay naku, anak ko, magkulo naman tong anak ko. Can you go down? Because we are...
Yeah.
Yan na.
Go
there. Wash your iPad. Okay. So anyway, took us that time, and then yun nga, when we finally decided to join, that was actually last year October. So late last year already, when we decided to join. And like what my husband was saying, because we prayed for it, and then we followed the steps, which is we sign up, we watch the webinar, and then we went for this step 2. We paid for that fee, 149 fee that we mentioned yesterday. And when it comes to joining in, and of course in any business, you need to have an investment. It requires an investment. So mind you, even though I am a nurse, di naman po kami wala ko kami mga malalaking pera dyan. I am the breadwinner of this family. So kahit like 2 jobs man ako, which is 2 part-time, still ilan ang anak po namin, may 5 na kami right now, but during that time it was 4, and pretty much hindi naman we're very thankful to God kasi he's been providing for us na slowly we experience yung mga parang paycheck to paycheck. Before join this business, hindi naman ganoon yung situation namin because we had some small side hustles,
Mhm.
pero still it's not like enough, and then more on, o hindi kami nagkakaroon ng time freedom because when we were doing those side hustles, uh, during those days na I'm off, that's at the time that we will able to do those businesses, side hustles. So parang na mas it's actually taking time away from my kids. So instead of me spending time with them when I'm off, I'm actually doing those side hustles. So those are the reasons why parang it led us to look for a different one. Kasi
Mhm.
it's already getting tiring, exhausting for us, for me. Um, Nagiging burden na sa akin yung mga side hustles ko. So, but anyway, so when we got to the point where we have to when we are about to put the investment, wala rin naman ko kaming that much money, right?
Yeah, kung saan natin
Pero
huhugutin, no?
God has provided a way.
Mhm.
So we are just so thankful kasi like what he was saying na in all of our plans, na as a couple, for our family, we always pray for it. And if there is parang yun nga, may mga hiccups, may mga parang there's struggles,
Hindrance.
hindrances, those are signs for us na it's not for us. But
Mhm.
during this
It's
time,
not for us or not
yeah,
yet time.
but this time with this business, everything was provided
Mhm.
na it's just we're just so amazed na meron kami na paghugutan. And actually, and it's not na cash, na hindi kami, wala kaming that time, we didn't have that cash, but
Mhm.
we had. So we were able to use a credit card during that time na yung 0%
But mind
down.
you, with that credit card daw,
0% down na I was surprised I was approved. So that's still, but still for us, it came on the right time. For like I said, I was surprised na na-approve ako during that time, but it was still for us. It's a sign na God is letting us go and push through with this business. So we went through with it, and so ano na yung tuloy
and
mo?
and with that 4 months journey before nag-shine tayo ng October,
October, right?
ng
Okay.
siyempre, yung journey namin yun with that 4 months. So, oh,
Hindi 4 months, 3 months.
ay,
Yung
3 months
October,
ba?
November,
October, December.
December.
Oh,
So after that, syempre
so
tax
tax
season.
season.
Here in the US, we end our tax season we end the tax season on December, so we start filing our taxes around
January,
January,
February.
February, ganun.
Mhm.
So anyway, when we filed our taxes, we were able to claim yung mga investment, yung ininvest namin sa business na to, we were able to claim them.
Claimant, yeah.
And naku, bumalik po lahat.
Return,
Bumalik po lahat as refund.
refund, na tax
So,
refund.
nabayaran namin agad yung credit card. So,
Yeah, so
parang, there's already sa amin, that's considered return of investment right away, right?
and that's all.
Parang hindi kami gumastos tuloy
No,
kasi
and
bumalik
then
na.
for that one, that's already what do you call this one? A success story already
Yeah.
by that one. Oh,
That's
siyempre,
so that's one actually what we can say as one proof for us na
na with this
yung
business,
it's a
talaga, tingnan mo, it's a proof na
we're tax registered.
Mhm.
It's a legit business. We were
Mhm.
able to file it in our
Go, go,
taxes.
go.
So, that's we can confidently tell you guys na yun nga, yung about tax write-off.
Mhm.
We were able to test it, and it did. It is true. It happened. It happened to us. But anyway, so as far as our progress or our journey in this
Mhm.
business, of course, we told you. We started October, and as with any new business owners,
Mhm.
of course, it's like mini steps muna, di
Just
ba?
want to acknowledge this one, David Fernandez. Oh, hello. Ito, mahilig mag-travel to. Kasi nga, agent to ng airline. I know, bagay sa ito. Ang dami mong mara-write off.
Ano sinasabi
David.
ni Ate Gina na parang laxative?
Hindi, yung sabi ko, yung parang nakaginhawa ko ba?
Ay, ako.
Ayun.
Iba rin yung mind ng isang nurse. Laxative naman ba
Mm.
naisip?
O, tingnan mo. Pero at least, nagja-jibe pa rin yung kuwan,
Hmm.
kung anong gusto kong ipahiwatig, 'di ba? Oh.
Sabi ni Sis Novs, "Good morning beautiful couple." Hello, good morning din sis. Ano 'to para safe tayong
Para
lahat.
safe tayong lahat, yun nga yung sinabi mo nga na kuwan, na siya muna titingin para hindi tayo
Oh, got
sabay-sabay,
it. Yeah, hindi kasi
yun.
nale-late na yung pag-check natin.
Uh-huh.
But yes, yes. And thank you, Ate Gina, for being mindful, for being demure. Nakala ko ayan, So anyway, for sabihin mo ng for 3 months, we didn't have much or big
Big progress
progress yet
or
kasi
big
nga
step.
we were only you know learning this business during that time. So during those 3 months, kasi it took on our third month, tapos tapos kami nagkaroon ng first business partner namin. But,
Mhm.
but during those first 3 months, um, we were um, we were doing training and more on just getting used to the business, which is like
Which is,
doing the
which
posting.
is okay naman yun kasi
Um,
with the 3 months parang God is telling you, you go to the process, go to the training step by step.
mm,
By the time na alam mo na, and then God will send you a business partner
yes,
para
yes.
at least hindi ka na mangangapa kung ano yung, "Oh, what's the next step? What's gonna
Mhm,
be the ano yung susunod pala dito na gagawin?"
mhm,
At least gamay mo na ba, yung parang at least, you know already in every job naman you will go through orientation, right?
mhm,
So, yun yung parang mag-orient ka muna sa sa
mhm.
business na 'to so that in that way, 'pag nasalang ka na on the day that job, hindi ka na mangangapa,
Yeah.
'di ba?
I'm so glad nga na I have a
Hindi
husband, a
ka na
partner who's like, yung ganyan yung mindset niya because I wanna be honest, the first few months namin, ako yung parang naiinip. I tell him, "Daddy, ano na, wala pa, ano nangyayari?" Yung mga gano'n.
yun nga sabi niya and then sabi ko, "Oh,
Tama ba 'to?
and then,
Pinasukan natin.
maghintay ka lang and then we'll just gonna mag-benefit na dun sa write-off." Sabi nila, "Puwedeng i-write off lahat 'to." 'Di dun muna tayo mag-benefit, 'di ba?
Mm.
Kung wala
And
ka
that's what
pang
we've been sharing and
mhm,
advising to our fellow business partners is just one goal at a time, kasi don't kwan kaagad na tapos yung timeline mo kung minsan din
don't give yourself a timeline na
na
kuwan.
yung dapat
Kasi mai-stress ka lang.
yeah, and that's
Mashi-share
what happened to me.
mashi-share dito tignan mo si Mrs. and then it will jive with our verses 2 na masho-show namin ngayon today.
Yeah. So actually, so there's a lot of things that we've learned during those. Kasi
Mhm,
yun nga, yung journey namin na yun, the past 3 months, yung first 3 months namin, nako,
mhm.
it was like, syempre nag-start kami ganyan, tapos medyo bumababa ang
Confident ni
confidence
Mrs.
ko,
or
moral
moral.
ko. Kasi nga sabi ko nga, and siguro may nakaka-relate or resonate sa akin ng mga fellow business partners. But yun nga na may kasi in any business naman may ups and downs 'yan.
Yeah, and
Okay?
then this is the right verse for that one,
Ah,
which is James 4:10.
hindi
Hindi.
'yun, this one.
Saan ba?
And that time is right.
Yeah, pala
'Yan,
yan.
ayan.
Yan, Isaiah 60:22, "When the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen."
Yeah,
Sabi niya
so
gano'n. So, on those period of time, yung waiting time na yun, God is not, doing nothing.
mhm,
Kasi you know naman ang Panginoon, God, works in mysterious way, right? 'Pag hindi mo na napapansin kuwan, "Ah, meron pala 'tong kuwan na 'to na dumating." Mga gano'ng bagay ba tapos you will be worrying na, "Oh, may, ano na naman paghuhugutan ko may kuwan babayarin na naman tayo." But the next thing you know, may papasok sa bangko mo, oh,
mhm.
Kaya what I'm saying is with this with our digital business, once you sign up, it's not an overnight success. You have to work on it. Siyempre, you wait for that right timing. Kung pag sabi ni Lord, oh, you're okay na, you're parang kaya
Ready
mo
ka na.
na, ready ka na. And then, yun nga ang sabi ng Panginoon, and I, the Lord, will make it happen when the time is right.
Yeah.
And,
Pero then, actually, for those first 3 months, then God has pretty much kasi he wants us to be prepared, right?
mhm.
So he molded us during those time.
Yeah, syempre, kung pupunta ka
Uh,
ba sa gera,
yeah,
ano dala mo, kamay-kamay
that's
lang.
true.
Sa bagay, meron naman yung ano yung movie na yon na
Yeah.
he doesn't want to bring a weapon.
Oh, I don't
Hacksaw
maka
Ridge ba yon?
sorry, I don't know. Siguro
Oh,
parang
basta
yung
basta
basta
yun.
yung
But at least, but he's still prepared though. His
yes.
mindset is prepared. His body is prepared
Yeah.
para uh, to go to a battle.
Yeah.
Parang ganun din lang. You go mag-training ka muna with those
Mhm.
months na wala ka munang business partners.
Mhm.
But the time comes na may business partners ka na, you know what to do, what's next. Hindi ka na nangangapa.
Mhm.
O baka mamaya mas mahigitan mo pa yung mentor mo. Ganon.
And during those times, actually, we just pretty much yun nga, good thing, we're thankful that we have mentors and coaches who are very supportive, and who are, of course, they also went through the same, or they
The
have
same experience also.
almost the same experience as us, so they know what to do, right? And they're
Mhm.
sharing it to us, and we are very thankful for those advices. So we parang actually inimmerse na lang namin muna ang sarili namin sa training during that time, but most of all, um lagi namin, thankfully, thank God na meron tayong may mga ano may mga reminder ang Panginoon sa atin na pinanghahawakan namin. Yung isa sa mga favorite verses namin, na actually it's posted in our home,
Yan na, yan na.
is this one, and we want to share it to you guys. It's the verse Jeremiah 29 verse 11, which is, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." So sabi namin, Lord, yung promise mo na ganito, Lord, panghahawakan ko, sabi ko, kasi nga mahirap kasi kung yun nga, kasi very short-sighted tayo, tinitingnan lang natin yung short term na experience natin. And parang, we're just human. Sometimes we get to na nag-worry tayo, and then
Mhm.
parang give up na tayo.
Yes.
But thankfully, we have, itong mga salita ng Panginoon, and we are surrounded with, maganda kung surrounded ka with people who are positive, with positive mindset,
Mhm.
who will encourage you. And so, ito yung mga barang iniisip namin nung time na yon, which help us, to keep going. And plus, sabi ko nga, ako, nag-military pa ako, kung nakalimutan ko na yung mga na-experience ko nung time ng sa military,
Yes.
talagang ano ang endurance mo sa military. So, and then yun nga, parang pumasok kami sa isang race. But nag-give up, hindi pa, you're still, just keep going. Kahit kunyari, you feel like you stumbled, hindi, kung nag-give up ka, wala na.
Maganda yung kanya with this past Olympics, right?
Hmm.
Natapos lang 'tong Olympics natin. Kaya gustong-gusto kong nanonood ng track and field eh. Tignan mo, pabilisan sila, right? Pero merong isang Olympian na ma-stumble. At syempre, hindi na siya makakasabay sa kanila. But tignan mo yung proper mindset niya. Even if last na siya, kasi napilayan siya eh.
Mm.
He's still going to finish. He will still go
Yeah.
to that track
Mhm.
na tapusin niya pa rin until he got that finish line, until he got that goal. Para no matter, yun ang magandang mindsets. Kaya no matter what happened to you, just focus to the goal. Focus lang yung goal mo. Parang
Yeah.
sa mga kabayo din, yung mga hinete, yung may blinders dyan. Just focus to one, you focus straight ka lang. Hayaan mo yung mga nandyan sa gilid na nagsasalita ng mga naysayers dyan.
And I will share this
Nothing
also na
will
ano,
happen if you're
mga
gonna papansinin mo yung mga yan.
yun yung mga ina-advise din ng mga ibang mentors natin, mga ibang coaches dyan na, don't don't compare yourself kasi sa mga
Mhm.
successful people already. Kasi talagang you will feel like, parang ano ka na, behind ka na, or you're not, mas sasama yung pakiramdam mo pag ganun eh. No, don't try not to compare yourself with them. Kasi their journey is different from yours. Plus, isipin mo na lang din, yun yung sabi rin ni Coach Mildred, wag niyo akong tignan sa kung ano ako ngayon, but look to how I started in this business. And she started also just like us in most business partners. Magsa-start ka sa bottom, right? I want to acknowledge Linda Lestino de la Cruz. Hello, thank you for watching. Sis Maristel, thank you for watching. Jose and sino ba yun? Hindi ko na nakita yung isa. But anyway,
mo dyan?
kaya nga hindi mahirap iba-ibang screen ang tinitingnan namin dito. But anyway, so yun yung mga yung mga namin, mga nung time na yun, yung first 3 months namin. But so on the 3rd month, we finally had a business partner. Thank God during that time. And yeah, it was hindi pa kami talagang super bihasa about with the business, but during that time at least we're a little bit more parang medyo ready na kami because we always have mentors out there who's been always helping us. Kasi yun yung maganda dito sa business na to eh, because hindi ka iiwanan ng mga mentors mo. You need help, they're always there for you. Yeah.
Kaya nga sabi ni Kwan, ito yung coach mentor namin, si Jeans. Yes, mahigitan mo mentor mo, kaya hindi to MLM or
pyramid scheme.
schemes.
Yes. Hello, sabi ni Sis Maristel. Ang galing nyo. And then, sabi ni Jose Sarte, yeah, he's my friend. Sabi niya, don't mind those naysayers. Yes. Kaya nga, kasi kung madadala ka sa kanila, wala. Bakit? Yun nga yung sabi ng mga ibang mga nag-live na mga kasama natin. Sabi nila, bakit? Sila ba magpapakain ng pamilya mo?
Yeah.
Yung mga naysayers na yan.
And mind you cannot please everyone.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Hi, Mentor Jao. Munti ka na, hindi ka namin natawagan. I don't know if you're already awake or what.
Yeah,
She just came back from Hawaii yesterday night, late night. So, ayaw ka namin istorbohin pa eh. Alam mo, para kang nasa honeymoon stage pa rin eh.
So what's next? So, yun
nga, so we had our first business partner on our 3rd month.
January, right?
Yeah, January. So, parang yun ang parang pinaka-trial namin
parang practice.
Practice namin for how
kung paano yung
to see how prepared we are.
Yes, kung paano yung dinaanan namin, in-apply namin sa naging first business partner namin, yung step by step na pag-guide sa kanya, and then what to do, and then thankful with Ate Gina and Ate Jao for guiding us also.
Yeah, nandyan yung mga mentors namin na always helping us.
And then by the time April na, no?
Hindi, February, meron na naman tayong next business partner. So, slowly, and then also, sa amin naman, natitrain din kami, slowly we're becoming more consistent as far as our part na which is yung posting natin, right? Nagpo-post tayo sa social media. So, ganun.
There's power in posting.
Despite those, we're slowly progressing, having this, business partners joining us. Still, hindi naman ibig sabihin na walang na continuous na paakyat na, no. May mga time pa rin na you will be tested, still. Parang kasi tested in a way na parang you will find people who will reject you. Rejection. Yan. Oh, hi, Sister Shay. Gising ka na.
I know, right?
Better late than never, right?
Ah.
Hindi ka pa naman late sa amin.
Then
They will
agree.
not pay our bills kaya go lang for the gold sa gold mine business na ito. Yeah.
Yes.
Sinabi mo yung gold mine. Laking minas kami.
Oo,
Laging
Benguet sa
Benguet
Balatok
sa mining
Mines.
area. We're really aiming for the gold every time.
Yes, yes.
Sino pa na dyan?
Okay, okay, okay.
Nagsusundo ng mga bata. Okay.
Good
And then,
morning.
Sister Lay. Hi, good morning. So, ayun. Teka lang,
Saglit.
saglit lang si Mister. Ay, continue ko. Ano ba? We have our second, and then actually, so, yun yung second test namin on that February, siguro yung second business partner namin. Parang trial run ulit. How prepared we are for as a mentor. So, then, after that, March, yan na. May dalawa o tatlo nang nag-join back to back, ganyan. So I wanna thank our mentors kasi nga hindi namin medyo na overwhelm kami ng konti kasi ilan yun, 'di ba? But then we have a very supportive team, and yung mga mentors ko very supportive. So we were able to help out those new business partners, na on time naman, hindi masyadong delayed yung ano namin. Nagawa namin lahat ng kailangan gawin ng ilang days lang. As in talagang I was just so happy to see how yung teamwork, makikita mo talaga yung teamwork during that time. But anyway, parang yun yung sinasabi ko, God prepared us right before yung datingan or dagsaan, sabihin mo na ng mga bagong business partners during that time. So ayun, and then April din may mga dumating. So just yung yung ngayong journey namin na actually ang blessing naman, it's not only, well, those are big blessings para sa amin with this digital business, but this everyday naman, yung laging may blessing ang Panginoon, even small blessings we should be thankful, right? So we've always been thankful to God kasi nga may mga blessings din siya, and not in a material way, money, but more on parang yung blessings niya na yung namomold ka, yung nagkakaroon ka ng change in mindset, those are considered blessings. Yung nakikita mo may changes sa family mo, yun nga, yung slowly nga nakikita namin yung during those times, parang yun nga, dahil napag-usapan na nabanggit namin about sa mga tax write-off. Sige, try na. Pag lumalabas kami,
Hello.
kain
Nag-daddy
kami,
duty mo nga.
nag-e-enjoy kami na parang so during those time, I started hindi ako masyadong nagkumukuha ng, or I'm not even concerned about yung parang kung if I missed, parang kung kulang ako ng oras sa trabaho, or actually, yun, 'di ba, may mga ilan mga anak ko, sometimes may mga magkakasakit. Before, I'm so hesitant to call in sick kasi nga paano na yung finances namin kung magko-call in sick ako or
But
kung wala pa nga akong, kung minsan wala na akong leave, di parang paano na yun, hindi ako bayad. But because
tignan mo ngayon, daddy, kung ako, kukulsin ako, ganito. Yeah, why not? Kulinsin ka. Meron tayo dyan.
Daddy, maingay na yung background natin.
Ayaw mo siya, naglo-launch eh.
Yeah, pero nga hindi natin mapapatigil. That means we have to hurry up.
Yeah.
But anyway, ano sabi ni Sister Jao? Yes, it says, don't feel like your business is not working on coming months because those are the times that the Lord is preparing you. So take your time and chance to learn things and navigate things. Yes. Yes. I've learned it from, she's my mentor. I learned it from her. But yeah, so during those times, we're slowly also seeing yung other benefits ng business na to. So we already told you about yung tax write-off, right? But this time it's more yung parang time freedom, slowly.
Slowly,
Yun
yes.
parang pag off ako, ayun, labas kami. Before, medyo mahigpit,
Tignan mo.
mahirap,
Tignan mo, nakaramdam,
narinig,
nakaramdam.
nakaramdam.
Umalis na siya, 'di ba?
Oo.
Nakaramdam na.
Pero, ayun nga, noon parang siyempre kasi nga, again, um, kasi dahil ako ang breadwinner, kailangan tingnan ko, lagi kong iniisip lagi yung finances namin, tinitingnan ko ano, enough ba, mayroon ba tayong enough. And so sometimes, even though off ako, kung medyo limitado ang finances, medyo hindi tayo lalabas. Pero this time, parang kasi knowing na yung bang mata-tax write-off mo yung mga gastos paglalabas kayo, it's not, hindi na mabigat sa bulsa, 'di ba? So parang para tuloy, sabi niya, sige lang. Ganun na lang, 'di ba? Mata-tax write-off naman. Parang
Mhm.
ganun. So parang doon namin doon na kami, nag-enjoy na kami.
Because why? Because we did it already. We
We
experienced it
know, we
already.
know we can tax write-off
We
those
know the
things.
power of our business.
Yeah.
With this digital business. Tapos yan,
Ano
the
sabi niya?
beauty of this business kasi is once you started your business, it is running already compared to other businesses. Kaya feeling ng mga nakaka-join automatically, they should have already ROI.
Return of investment.
Yes, yan ang hindi naiintindihan, and it comes to them to learn it in a hard way. So trust the process, trust the system, and enjoy the journey. Yes, just enjoy the
Ayun,
journey.
enjoy the journey. Actually, yun ang lagi ini-advise din sa amin. Enjoy the journey. So, hindi kailangan mong kailangan talaga change in mindset talaga before you can really enjoy this journey. And plus, 'di ba? If you ito nga parang 'di ba mas maganda talaga kung nag-e-enjoy ka sa isang bagay. Kasi kung hindi ka magla-last long. Pero anyway, because we already experienced slowly yung mga benefits, talagang yun, mas nag-e-enjoy kami na kasi napo-prove namin na napo-prove talaga that this business is the right business for us.
Yes.
Ano pa?
Saan pa tayo?
Ayun yan, sabi ko April. Tapos ayun, medyo nagkaroon ng promotion. So, we reach our third milestone, mga around late April or mag-May na. Tapos, again, around May, nako, yan na naman, datingan na naman.
Business partners,
Yes. But, so, meron yung time na medyo naging parang, ano ba yung term ko doon? Parang,
Hindi, parang tawag nito, parang gusto mong i-manipulate.
manipulate.
Kasi
yes.
nga,
My journey, our journey.
She was
Napapalapit na kasi.
nagwo-worry na siya
Napapalapit
for
na yung
maternity leave niya.
Napapalapit na yung
And
yung ano ko.
nag-set kami kasi ng goal by that time.
Na,
Dapat naka 4th milestone na kami.
by the time na I take my maternity leave. Oo. So, at the end of May, yun yung I was aiming for, na parang sabi ko, by then dapat ma-4th milestone ko. But on May 31st, it didn't happen.
Yes.
And I was like, parang medyo na feel down ako, sabi ko kasi yun nga, that was my goal during that time. Pero ang Panginoon talaga, amazing, no? Iba siya magtrabaho eh. The next day niya binigay.
And then,
1st of June.
we
Nagka-4th
reached the
milestone
4th
kami.
Yeah. So that's why nga. Kaya dapat sabi nga ng Proverbs 3:5-6, trust in the Lord with all thy heart and lean not
onto your
to
own
your
understanding. All your ways,
acknowledge him and he
shall
will
direct your path.
Yes. Yun yung kaugalan namin mag-asawa, and every credit that we na-achieve or any goals or promotions, it comes from the Lord. We always glorify his name because with him we are nothing.
Yeah.
So that's why always in our prayers, Lord, help us always to decrease so that you may increase within us.
Yeah.
Yun
Because, 'di ba? Talagang sa totoosin naman, promotion comes from him.
Yeah.
It's kahit ano pang effort mo and everything na ganyan ang talagang promotion nanggagaling sa
Yeah,
Panginoon.
okay.
So, parang
Sabi
ito
nga
rin,
ni,
itong verse din na yan.
and sabi natin, Gina, God is good all the time, and
Yeah.
all the time,
God
God
is
is
good!
good. There.
Ang gulo-gulo mo, anak ko. Tahimik ka lang dyan.
So, we have to share pa namin itong isang verse
Verse
pa.
din. Sa James.
Oh, hold on.
Yan. James
James
4:10. Sabi niya,
Humble yourself before the Lord and He will exalt you. So that's why sabi ko nga, we don't take credits. We don't take credit of yung mga success namin, mga major milestones na na-achieve namin, kasi you always humble yourself before the Lord and He will exalt you. Blessings after blessings ang mga mapupur sa iyo if you stay humble. Kagaya ng kasabihan nga sa Pilipino na lumingon ka sa iyong pinanggilingan. Parating nakaapak ang iyong paa sa lupa. Mga ganung bagay. Kasi once na alam mo yon, yung parang yung humbleness is wala sa iyo, walang mangyayari sa iyo na they will look into you. Napakayabang naman ito. And walang maniniwala na sa iyo. Kaya nga, and I truly believe pag nag-i-start ka sa mga businesses or nag-i-start ka in anything, mas maganda mag-start ka sa baba. And always humble yourself. Huwag ka mapagmataas. Kaya mas maraming pang blessings na yung ma-receive beyond your expectations. Tignan mo nga, yesterday, di ba? We weren't, hindi kami nag-expect, but sa mailbox namin, we have 5 blessings na dumating.
Yeah. Sabi, tatay ko, sabi niya, parang wala ata ko yung parang wala.
Ba't hindi kayo nag-check ng
mailbox, sabi.
Meron na kayong kwan dito, mga blessings, sabi niya gano'n. Nagtingin na kami, ha? Meron na ba? Kaya tignan mo nga naman ang Panginoon talaga, no?
You cannot outgive Him.
Yeah, we play that game to give it back sa Kanya, pero you cannot outgive the Lord. Yeah. Hindi ka mananalo sa game na yan.
Yeah.
Tignan mo na lang yon. Yung provisions talaga sa amin, continuous provisions yung
pero niya lang din. So also, in order for blessings to flow into you, through you, talaga dapat sana nagbe-bless ka rin ng others.
Ate Christine, yan, tingnan mo, congratulations Ate Tin for her first yung business partner niya. Hindi pala.
For a new business partner.
Yeah. Yung pagsabi niya ng kontrata, congratulations.
Hi, Sister Joyce. Thank you for watching po. Good morning. Yeah. Ayun. So, ganun yung naging journey namin, progress namin so far. Ito nga. So, dahil na-reach namin yung 4th milestone namin ng before maternity leave during this time, and I'm still on my maternity leave. God has been blessing us, providing for, kasi may supplemental income nang galing dito sa business na to.
Mag-extend ka pa, no? Mag-extend pa daw siya ng leave niya. And that works for me too.
Mas kasi,
diba?
Hindi, really kasi, 'di ba nga, the past talaga, yung mga previous, yung mga anak ko, naunang mga anak ko, dito, wala talaga akong baby bonding time. So, this time, meron naman tayo dyan na, meron tayong nagpo-provide ng supplemental income, why not, 'di ba?
Yes.
'Di ba?
At least ako, medyo magre-relax muna ako for another, another month? Another 1 month, magre-relax pa ako. By the time,
1 month na pala si baby today.
Yeah, today is
Yes,
our baby's
1 month na niya.
1 month old na si baby ngayon. Baby Eliza Erin.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's Eliza means for joy.
If you have joy, you have peace.
Peace yung Erin niya. So, yeah, yun yung kasi so yun yung parang pinaka-theme namin this year. Yeah. Sabi ko, peace, and then
that's what
joy.
And then that's what we will experiencing in this our digital business.
Yeah.
Because you have joy, you have peace in your heart.
Yes.
And we always want na we don't want to deceive people as
Mhm.
much as possible. Kagaya nung topic namin yesterday, as much as possible na we don't want to tell lies, we don't want to deceive you. Nothing but the truth lang yung mga pinagsasabi namin.
Yeah.
Kasi
You don't
when
want to be
by
you
the
don't
time
want to be
comes,
questioned or
when the time comes,
ma-judge ka ng
you don't want
Panginoon.
God will judge you kasi he's the only one the right one na
Who knows
who knows na mag-judge sa iyo.
or
Who knows you
kung and who
na
knows kung nag-like ka
Yes.
or telling the truth.
Mhm.
Hi, Sister J-Lo. Hi, good morning. And Karil, good morning
Yes.
sa'yo. Ay, good evening na.
Good evening
Sa
sa kanya sa
kanya.
Australia.
Yep,
Yes.
1 month na si baby. 1 month na.
Yes. So,
So, asan na? So, yun. Right now, we, yun, mga slowly na nababanggit na rin namin sa inyo yung mga benefits ng business na to. And that's why we are so excited
to share
and
it to you guys.
and we're confident to share this business to
Yes.
you guys kasi we already tested it. Yes, we are only 10 months
10
or
months in the
malapit na
business, yes.
11 10 months in this business, but we've experienced the benefits already.
We're enjoying the ride.
Yes.
It's a roller coaster ride, right?
Yeah.
Minsan mapapahiyaw ka, minsan maninervous ka, minsan tahimik ka. And then while you reach on top again, mapapahiyaw ko again with those blessings na marireceive mo, right?
Pero nag-enjoy talaga kami. This is the business where consistent si Mister sa joy na to. Nag-enjoy talaga siya kasi the previous
So, tignan mo
previous side hustles namin, sa umpisa lang siya tumutulong sa akin eh.
napalagpas na pala natin eh. It's
Oo,
time
malapit ka
to
nang
magsundo.
magsundo. So,
So,
we're not gonna take your time longer. So, thank you for those watching us. We have, I think nakita ko
6
kanina
million
umabot. Hindi,
viewers.
umabot tayo ng mga
7
about
million.
no, about 9 kanina.
Okay.
But anyway, so yun, just enjoy the for our business partners out there, wag po kayong panghinaan ng loob.
Yes.
Okay? Enjoy your journey. Things yung mga trials man na napagdadaanan nyo happen for a reason. But just like those verses that we shared to you, take those keep those na mga promises ng Panginoon.
Yes.
I-apply nyo sa sarili nyo, and that just keep praying about your business. Trust in God, trust in the Lord for your business, and then just yun nga, keep ano ba to, stay
strong. Hang in
Uh,
there.
Yes, kasi
walang bibitiw. Sabi nga
sa
ni Pari,
umpisa pa lang tayo.
Pari Art,
Umpisa pa lang
yes.
tayo. Wala pa,
Walang
malayo pa.
bibitiw.
Kaya wag bibitiw. Kung kailangan nyo ng tulong, we're here.
Yes, we're here.
That's the reason why you have a mentor. I'm here. We are here for you guys. Walang iwanan dito. So we'll lift each other up.
Yes.
Your journey might be a little bit different, but then ang kwan lang nito, all of us will go there. Yung success, we'll get there. It's a matter of when, right? And then you're already invested in this one. Your investment in this business is lifetime. Hindi mawawala yung account ninyo na yan. So yes, there are times, of course, life happens wherein you hindi mo maharap. That's okay. Just get back though. Wag mong kalimutan, wag mong i-give up. Don't give up.
So that's why
ano pa?
Click that button. Go to our website www.genosop.com.
Yeah.
Put your name on it, put your email in it, and register.
Yes.
And check that free webinar.
Para sa mga,
once you're done with that free webinar and go to the next step, click that button again and
go to the
next step two.
Or message
us, PM us, and we will guide you.
Gladly guide you.
Yes.
We want to bless you.
And always praying for you too. We've been praying for you with our business partners and future business partners, and whoever is watching right now, whatever you're been through right now. Hopefully, with our go live, it serves your with our verses na shinare namin, it serves you encouragement.
Yes.
It serves you na comfort also.
Yeah.
Kung may mga pinagdadaanan kayo,
Mhm.
panghawakan niyo lang yung mga salita ng Panginoon, and hindi kayo mawawala sa
Ano ba yan? Yana kasi. Ang kulit-kulit ni Yana.
Mhm. So,
Yan.
yun.
But,
Yun na nga. Kaya nga, si Virginia.
Virginia, nakahabol ka.
Nakahabol siya pala.
Malapit na
Pa-
kami mag-end. It's okay.
Papalpas kami ng Kamsat,
Oy,
pero at least nakahabol kasi kami.
Kabsat, pareho na tayo Tuloy-tuloy na natin
Oh yeah, i-remind ka
Pareho
rin
na
namin.
tayong day 9.
Huwag ka na mag-absent.
Huwag ka na mag-absent.
Yeah, so that's why. Thank you again. So why digital business?
Because it's more fun,
Less stress.
more joy.
Kaya
Join
join na!
us.
This is Ken
And I'm Zap.
signing off, and we are Proud Digital
A business
Business
owner. Thank you again. God bless you all. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.